everybody. How is you wonderful darlings out there today? Cup of cold, stone cold coffee, lipstick. Yuck. Okay, right. Back onto eyelashes today. So picked up these eyelashes yesterday. As you can see, fairly glamorous. And these, so individual lashes. So what I'm going to do is combine the two. So if you're good at little projects and handicrafts, this is for you. So big lashes, I'm going to glue on closer to the inside of the eye, and then the individual big lashes that I've got there build up the edge. So that's today's plan. So there we have that. Right, pair of tweezers. Now, for those uninitiated, let's say you got a pair of eyelashes there. Now the first thing you do, it's very difficult to try to peel these off by your fingers, and you'll probably end up breaking them. So I tend to use a pair of tweezers and then just gently prise them off. Hairdresser's bin. Feeling glorious. Right, back to eyelashes. Right, so here we have eyelashes. Now, for the uninitiated, nice pair of tweezers. Just gently peel the eyelash off of the packet. Just move along the length of the eyelash. Don't over pull on one area. What I tend to do, so I'm going to pull off the right eyelash first. So this end will be the inner corner of your eye. Don't peel off from that, because if you bugger it up, that is the bit that everybody's going to see, including yourself, because we're putting those eyelashes on the end. So if you do bugger up the eyelash, bugger up the end. So let's see, bing, things finally off, which is good. So there we have it. One eyelash. W7 eyelash glue. The black variety, so it sets black. So as you can see, spreading the glue along the length of that eyelash. It's brand new eyelash. So in it goes again, big dollop. There we go. I think my own eyelashes are absolutely wrecked at this point. So if you've ever done joinery or anything like that, a little bit of carpentry, you should know, don't just put the eyelash glue, the glue on one side of the object that you're gluing. Put a bit of glue on there. Give it a second before you start gluing them together as well. Tend to just warm it up a little bit, sets the glue off a little bit, goes a little bit tacky. A bit like me. Tacky as hell, right? And stick it on. I have to do that again. There we go. You'll probably Just see there, I've just caught the top of my eyeliner with a little bit of eyelash glue. It's a small amount, so what I'm going to do, let it dry off. I'm not even going to peel it off. Just get my eyeliner out again. Just gently go over and extend the eyeliner line to hide that little smear. It's just not worth the effort of trying to remove it, pull it out, or even try to go over it with a bit of foundation. It's just not worth it unless you've really smeared it out. That's staying. So that's it. That's the main eyelash down. Remember how on previous eyelash videos I've gone there and I've brought it up a little bit as well. It doesn't follow the eyeline completely. I want a bit of a cat's eye effect. Repaired the upper eyeliner. Just went over it with my brush. So splatting just a load of glue on the edge of the eye there. So now with the single lashes, super ultra thick long black, apparently it says. So again, one in, two. I'm going to probably go for 4. There's a little bit of glue on the eyelash itself, so with the drying glue that you've applied there, they stick on quite well. 4. There we go. Looking good. And again, just on the base of the lashes, little bit of glue. Nail those lashes down. Okay. So you don't need to see me duplicate it for the other side. So what you saw there, do it on there. Be back in a moment. So for the lower lashes, again, something a little bit different. Okay, redo that videotape. So something a little bit different. So these are normally lashes for upper eye. So they're sort of, you know, delicate, wispy, cat style lashes, but they're also thin enough to get away as lower lashes, but sort of more drag queen style. So here's one I took from the box, and on goes the glue. This is where you're going to glue your eyes shut at some point. And that's stabbing yourself in the eye. There we go. Eyelash. Tweezers. Let's go. Holding it in position just to let the glue go off a little bit. There we go, just using the tweezers again, just to lift and reposition the eyelash. There we go. Very dramatic, as you can see. Nearly as dramatic as I am when I finish a park run. And then just a little bit more glue on the inner and outer edges, or anywhere else you feel that you want to nail the lash down. So there we go. I'm going to do the other one now, and I'll see you in a moment. Love the dramatic eyes, the makeup, the eyelashes. So all glued into place. A little bit of a water out there, but minor fix. I'm going to have to do an entire video at some point of if you really screw your makeup up, here's how to fix it, because this girl knows how. Done it plenty of times, you learn. So there we go, all glammed up, ready for the day. See you soon.